We're making 5 size 6 red and black woolly buggers. So we have this. I already put the bead on there, and now we're just gonna wrap it around. I want it to be right below the barb. So like right before the barb. That's a pretty great spot. So we have that, and then we get our black narrative. It's a pretty good size right there. This might be a little bit sparse, so just cut it off like this. It's kind of what I don't like about these feathers, but they'll work for this purpose. This same thing. Yeah, just like this.